DarEsSalaam, Mbezi Beach to be exact, at David House, introducing to you a special repat who has been here for 33 years, since 1989. Stay tuned.
Let's introduce the people then to who you is and tell them your story.
All right. Yes, I'm named Mervyn Thompson, born in Jamaica, and came to Africa here 1989, 33 years ago. And I'm is in Tanzania right now, preparing for those who have a desire to come. So, I'm experiencing Zion credit, and I would like others to come in and deal with it, because we have this place which was given to I by the first president of Tanzania, and we're just waiting now for others, for the Most High to just manifest what is to be manifested. I always have the urge to return to the place of my origin, and the chance was there, so I just seized it one time. 1989, Ras Daniel was here, and I knew him from Jamaica, and we just link up and make it happen.
Yes, some ital on the land, you know. Free ital, check it out. Free? Yeah, man, free. We are QA, you understand? So, right now you're tuned to culture working on the platform.
So I'm here now, and I can see the improvement. Yeah, people coming, want to return, I can see the spirit. Yeah, so we are here preparing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you say Julius Nyerere basically say...
Yeah, as a Pan-Africanist, yeah, he agreed that it's our right to return to the place of our origin. So he just couldn't help receiving I and I.
That's good, man.
Because he's of that attitude, the Pan-Africanist thing. So he had to receive I and I. Because he was the leader of the leading frontline states during the apartheid system. So we give thanks for everything. It's manifesting. Yeah, it's happening.
Dude. Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. Gratuitous compliments of the house to Vidic. Standing on the square, even when the planet shifted. Only deal with queens if she is submitted. Check out how I kick it. Alkaline, never acidic. Keep the balance, always up for a challenge. Digging to you with my talents, that's the eye of the ego. A visionary, represent my people. I'm looking right through the people, but still my vision is broad view. Yo, what they call you? Yo, I'm a Hebrew, original. Never dealing with no subliminal messages, straight factual. I'm never the casual. Freestyling off of the dome. Freestyling off the dome like the dome on a rock.
So we give thanks for that. It's a judgment time, but we give thanks for this new age. And we must realize that the new age is in. Yeah, the age of Pisces, it finished, and we're now in a new one. Yeah, a new 2000 year in front of I right now.
What that mean for people?
It means one have to stop doing things which is not right. It means righteousness. Now is the time you can get powerful if you're righteous. That's what your power is based on now. Pure love. Yeah, we have to make it be love. Yeah, and once you go in righteousness, you just swell in righteousness. Yeah, because so the power going to come. It's a time for righteous dealings and unity, real unity. That's how the power can come, that we can overcome the dragon. Yeah, because only righteousness can overcome you, and you know that.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We give thanks.
So, Jamaica in Tanzania.
Yeah, It's a wonderful feeling, Rasta, because it's like it's a spirit cause it to happen, because it was always there. Good spirit between Tanzania and Jamaica and even other places in the West Indies. Yeah. Yeah, many things happening at this time, and I give special thanks to Rasta that I can realize that his righteousness going to take I and I through now. Yeah. There's the time for real liberation. Yeah. Full love. Yeah, just come forward, Rasta, because it's here to happen. Yeah, here is Zion, and I can tell you, once you come, you will experience it. Yeah, just come forward, Rasta, because it's here to happen. Yes, I am. Tell the people we already have our health program, which is based on food as medicine. You be your own doctor. It's absolute liberation we're searching for now. Yeah, everyone be their own doctor. Yeah, and we help each other. Because we have everybody now. Yeah, the trained doctors, we're not driving them away. We have them. Because them is a safety net for us. Yeah, and we are brothers and sisters. We take care of them same way. But it's food is medicine. We don't need more than that. So that is the NI program, and the people them loving it. Yeah. So we continue that way. Absolute liberation.
My brethren was just saying that the fire, which represents purification, he was saying that if a tree is barren, an orange tree is barren, then if you burn the leaves of the tree, then it will come back and reproduce. It will come back and bear fruit the next season. It's interesting because in the chakra system, the color orange and the red colors is right around the lower chakra areas around the reproductive system.
Okay.
So it's funny how that relates. The color orange, the orange tree, the fire is orange, so it all connects. Y'all's good, y'all's like, y'all blessed.
Yes. Rastafari, Joe. Rastafari, Joe. Naya Sindi, Aya Wadwan, Rastafari, Joe. Rastafari, Joe. Rastafari, Joe.
Thank you for watching this video on Culture Links TV. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. And please check out our other videos. Thank you.